When you choose to join the armed forces, you have actually thought of the best in life. What Army taught me is to strive for excellence, and you can't taste success unless you give your best shot. प्रिय शौरवीर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं कि आपने शौर्य भारत ऐप को चुना है अपने डिफेंस फोर्सेस की तैयारी के लिए। हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम आपके लिए बेहतरीन वीडियो कंटेंट लेके आए हैं। शौर्य भारत ऐप के माध्यम से हम आपको वचन देते हैं गुणवत्तापूर्ण पाठ्य सामग्री एवं अनुभवी फैकल्टीज द्वारा तैयार किए गए वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स का। तो जुड़िए शौर्य भारत ऐप की दुनिया से। जय हिंद।
This video is brought to you by Shaurya Bharat. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. So, gentlemen, today we will discuss on the topic farmers protest against the APMC. That is Agriculture Product and Market Committee. As we all know that it has become a very burning issue and it is a matter of protest between the farmers and government. We have seen that in Delhi, many of the farmers and people are protesting against government that they are not providing with the proper benefits of this bill. So today we will discuss in this context, but before that we will begin with the PI of everyone. So we will start from here. Okay.
Hello friends, my name is Anman Chaudhary and I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Ashok Chaudhary and he is a farmer. I have completed my 10th class from CBC board and I scored 8.8 CGPA and in 12th class from RBC board with 80% marks. My hobby is running and I am interested in swimming. I have won the bronze medal in International Olympiad of Mathematics. I want to join the Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform and I will have the chance to work with the world's best technology. Indian Air Force gives respect and honor in society and it has a great lifestyle. Thank you.
My name is Manish. I live in Jodhpur district. I have passed 12th class. At present time, I am pursuing BSc second year from Jayaram Vyas University, Jodhpur. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is very respectful job in our country. The Indian Air Force provides all opportunity for a person lifestyle and serve the nation. Now, I am going about this topic, Farmer Bill 2020. That India, the Parliament passed 3 bills September 2020. The bills provide farmer freedom and the farmer agriculture product sell all our country and states and all our place. The government gives a online platform and made one nation, one market. Thank you.
Very nice.
Hello friends, my name is Dinesh. I belong to Jodhpur. My father name is Mr. Om Prakash. He is a farmer. My mother name is Mrs. Goya Devi. She is a housemaker. I passed my 10th and 12th from RBC board with 80%. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream and dancing also. And I love aircrafts and the dignity of uniform. And I have always provided respectful and adventurous life in society. And now I want to express my view on given topic. The topic is Farm Bill. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi passed Farm Bill on 20 September 2020. In this bill added 3 bills. First, trade, produce and commerce. Second, farmers agreement on service bills and as price assurance. Third, essential commodities bill. According to government, The bill would transfer the agriculture sector to raise the farmer income. And it's also promises to double income by 2022. And in this bill, the farmers and traders can sell their products outside the mandis, and it's also increase the intra-state trades and to reduce the cost of transportation. Thank you.
My name is Vaskar Sisodia and I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Ramkumar Sisodia and he is officer in Punjab National Bank. I scored 82% marks in my 10th class and 76% in my 12th class, and currently I am pursuing my bachelor's in computer application. I like to play badminton, chess and doing skipping. I want to join Indian Air Force as it provides us the opportunity to work with the most advanced and high-tech gadgets, arms and aircraft. And it also spreads my feeling of patriotism, and I love the dignity of my uniform, and it's my childhood dream to join Indian Air Force. That comes to our today's GD topic. As we all know, on 20th September 2020, our Parliament passed three farm bills. Which, the first bill, that is farmers produce agreements, trade and commerce, which promotes the motto of one nation, one market, which consists that every farmer can sell their product anywhere in the whole country. And the second is farmers agreement to price assurance and farm service act, which will remove the APMCs and will promote the farmers to sell directly to the multinational companies and other consumers. And the last is essential commodities, which will remove the storage restrictions on the essential commodities like oil seeds, pulses, etc. and onions. So for the past few days, farmers are protesting against these bills as they are feeling that their rights are in danger, that they will all lose the MSP and the control over their crops. Now they will not get the MSP which were previously their government was giving them. So due to which they are protesting in a huge number from every state. Farmers of every state are coming and taking active part in this protest. Thank you.
My name is Dubri. I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Dubri. Indian farmer. We are business in my family. I passed the 10th with 86% and 12th with 81% from RBSc. My hobbies are to read methodological events and to play volleyball and crossword puzzles. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of the uniform, and everyone is equally important in Air Force. And also my friends want to see me in uniform. Thank you. So let's come to the topic. Today is my topic, farmer reforms 2020. After freedom, farmers used to sell their products to the consumers, and during the zamindari system, farmers they were exploited again and again. Then after our government made a rule, this was named APMC, Agriculture Produce Market Committee. This act says that no one farmer can sell their product to the consumer directly, and no one purchase them indirectly. And now our government passed three bills. First, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Act 2020, and second is Farmer Agreement on Price and Farmer Service Act, and third is Essential Commodities 2028. At last, I want to say these bills are not applicable for our country's vision because our parliament should be announced that it's unconstitutional. Thanks.
My name is Bhavani Singh Rajpurohit. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Hanuman Singh Rajpurohit. He is in a private job. I passed my 10th with 74% in RBSc and 12th with 58% in RBSc. My hobbies are to listen to music and play video games. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my childhood dream and I love the dignity of its uniform and it provides me a respectful and ethical society. Let's talk about today's topic. So on 26 September 2020, our government has passed 3 bills for the farmers, for the raise of farmers, which are Essential Commodities Act and Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Act and Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance. According to these bills, farmers can stock as much as amount of stock they can and sell them to any of the traders of any corner of our country and sell them to any big corporate company or multitasking companies. But farmers feeling that the rights will get they lose the rights of MSP and other things. So they are protesting in Delhi to modify these bills. Thank you.
My name is Akshay Sharma. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th from RBSc board. My father name is Mr. Anil Kumar Sharma. He is a teacher. My mother name is Ms. Sapna Khandelwal. She is also a teacher. I have one sibling. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and reading novels. I represent my district in Rajasthan Championship. My reason of joining Air Force, this is not only my dream, but my parents want to see me as an airman, and I also like the blue uniform of Air Force. Thank you. Today's our topic is Indian Farm Bill. The Indian Farm Reform Bill referred to the 3 agriculture bill passed by the Parliament on 27 September 2020. These 3 bills are, the first one is the Farmers Producer, the Trade and Commons Bill 2020. The second is the Farmer Agreement Price Assurance. The third was is the Essential Commodity Amendment Bill 2020, and this was passed by this was also assured by passed by the Ramnath Kovind. The first bill is the Essential Commodity 2020. In 1955, this was made for the companies who were stocking too much and for the against of the black market. But now we leave all these restrictions and they can stock as much as can. And but for my opinion, the government should make a rule that they can't use the black market and they can't increase the rate of, if they are stocking crops, they can't increase the rates of it. And the second one is the procedure of the trade and commons. It says that the one nation one market. Farmers can sold their crops in the not only APMC but also out of the states, and the traders and the companies can buy their crops.
I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. I passed 83% from RBSc Ajmer. My father's name is Dhanay Singh. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Rukminoor. She is a homemaker. We are 3 siblings. My hobby is playing cricket, read book, and support my family at the farm in my free time. I want to join Indian Air Force because Air Force uniform and discipline also attracts me, and I want to do technical work with defense system through this post. Now I want to express my views on the given topic, and topic is Farmers Bill. Our Parliament has passed Farmers Bill on 20 September 2020. In this bill, 3 bills are added. First, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill. Second, Essential Commodities Bill. And third, Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farmer Service Bill. With the President, not all the 3 bills have become an act with the aim to bring more agriculture reforms and to getting extra benefit to the farmers in getting best market price for all their produce. Thank you.
My name is Lakshman. I belong to Venta Nagaur, and my father's name is Yoram. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Kamala Devi. She is a housewife. And I completed 10th class and 12th class from RBC board, and my hobby is playing cricket and watching TV. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream, and in this job gives us many opportunities, and I love the dignity of uniforms and the Air Force. Today's our given topic is the farmer against the agriculture and produce the bill 2020. We know that it is a first time is passed bill in June 2020, but after that finally is passed in 20 September 2020. We know that it is passed by the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in the parliament, and first of it is a very beneficial for farmers and everything. But in some conditions, and there are should be included. There are many rules in MSP level and should be written, and every farmers crops we should be sold by sold by our government. But there are in some conditions we can say that farmers and should farmers there are in every only for governments vote in these crops, but it is a should be every freedoms in every state and out of India we can say vote. Thanks for listening.
My name is Kamal Godara. My father's name is Khimaram Godara. I come from Nagaur, Rajasthan, and my mother is a homemaker. I passed class 10th with 89.5% and class 12th with 94% from RBS board, and in present I currently pursuing BSc from MDSU University. And my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream. It provides a respectful and adventureful life, and it is a chance to innovation with advanced gadgets and work with the best technology of world. Thank you for listening.
Hello friends, my name is Satish Kumar, my father name is Vijay Prasad, and I belong to. I did my 10th with 85 and 12th with 89 both from RPSC. My hobbies are to play cricket and listening to music. I want to join AFA because I want to serve the nation, and my family also want to see me in Air Force uniform. I love the dignity of uniform, and I will have to work with the world best technology. And Indian Air Force also provides us adventurous and respectful life. So our today's topic is Farm Games 2020. The Parliament on 20 September 2020, the Parliament passed the three farm bills. When after that protests are over in India. The first bill is Farm Produce Trade and Commerce Bill. In this bill, the one nation one market is introduced where the farmers can sell their produce all over the nation. And the second bill is the farmers' produce price assurance and farm services. In this bill, the privatization of mandis are sold where the farmers can sell their produce to the exporters and businessmen directly. And the third bill is Essential Commodities Amendment Bill, where from some crops in this bill the restrictions are the stock of some crops are restricted like oil seeds and some other. One nation one market can remove the monopoly of APMC where the middlemen of this situation. This scenario are out and the farmers will be empowered. Thank you.
We are gathered here to discuss on the topic Farmers Bill and the protest of farmers against the bill, that is the APMC. So we all know that it is a very burning issue nowadays, and every farmer in the country is protesting against this bill because the government is monopolizing and not listening properly to the demand of the farmers and common people. So there is a huge protest in Delhi in the premises of Parliament. There is also the lathi charge by the police and water gun attack by the police. That is also a big issue because the condition has become so worse that we have to deploy police and CRPF in the protest. So we want to discuss. We have to discuss on this topic, and I want your opinion and your knowledge regarding this topic. And in the end, also, I would like to listen the conclusion in which what is your own personal opinion, what you think that farmers are right or the government is right. So you shall. So we should start our discussion now.
As we know that friend, our government passed farmers bill, and after this bill, the farmer and traders can sell their goods from outside the mandi, and it also encourages inter-state interstate trade. And governments think through this bill reduce the cost of transportation. And after this bill, the farmers can sell their produce directly to retailers companies. But they are apprehensive about to getting minimum supporting price.
I agree with you, friend. As we know that these tradesmen in the mandis store the agriculture product, and after that, when there is a shortage of the product in the market, they raise the prices of that product and sell in the market. So after this will reduce, and the price of the agriculture product will be sold. So this will helpful for the farmers also and the poor people in our society.
I disagree with your friend, as you mentioned that Monday stores the food and has to sell them at low price. But if there is a more product produced than demand, then there will be excess of that. Then there will be surplus of that product, due to which their price will fall, and will not farmers will not get that the money that they spend on that product produced. So this will lead to exploitation of the farmer, and they will not get the proper money. That's why minimum support price is so important that government is removing by applying this bill.
Yeah, I'm agree with my friend. You said that they get the cheap price, but someone company that stock too much, and whenever it goes prices will go down and it will pass it, then it becomes the black market. How you can say that price will go down from this bill? Any company can increase the bill, and yeah, my brother said that MSP is necessary. Government is telling that MSP we are giving the MSP, but they are not giving the written and the wages. This is not a good thing for the farmers.
As the government goal will decrease in all these APMCs, the more control will go to the hands of big businessmen, which will start exploiting farmers and taking one-side price.
I agree with you, friend, but the farmers are only MSP 6% farmers on the MSP level, but 96% farmers on the in private market, and there are many traders also.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I want to further add, in my opinion, in 2016, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the farmer income will be doubled in 2022, but now I didn't get it. May I continue?
Yes, I agree with you guys. We can take example of in 2006 when in Bihar the APMCs were abolished by the government. The farmers got price below the MSP, then they take the huge losses.
I agree with the friend. In 2016, we abolished the.
Sorry, friend, it's 2006.
In 2006, it was best.
Yes,
APMC was best in Bihar.
Abolished the APMC, and also it abolished. And it is we can select a good example for the APMC.
As your dad mentioned in the point that India APMCs were removed. So this bill is also weakening the APMCs and to remove the middleman and which are the main loopholes. But instead of this, many events managers and also leaders are advising the government to strengthen the APMCs, as the small farmers are approached mostly to APMCs. They are not in contact with the big farmers and big companies. They feel more convenient by in dealing with the APMC.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's government duty to strengthen the APMC.
Yes, I totally agree with you. The government is weakening the APMC. Government are taking the responsibility of their to the private sector. Private sector. The government has to strengthen the APMC, not to weaken by taking them to private sector.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. In my opinion, these bills are unconstitutional because these have faced many protests by the farmers and many parties like बहुjan Samaj Party and बहुjan Samaj Party and Shiromani Adakali Party and so on.
Yes, I am not totally agree with you. This is not unconstitutional.
Our
Government passed
country
this
is also
bill in
very
Parliament.
bad for our country because this will our farmers and government take attention on our farmers and our farmers are very apprehensive about that in future. Now it's good for farmers, but in future the companies and retailers also will dictate of the price.
I agree with you, friend, but you are speaking out there. It is a very bad for farmer. It is not bad for. In some condition, it is a very good for a farmers, but in some condition we can say there are many states in Haryana and Punjab, so the farmers are supposed to daily or.
I'm quite agree with you, but the government is telling that you can stock as much as stock, you can stock, but 80% of the farmers are not that much capable to stock their crops. If they stock it, that was fully destroyed. They have a company, the company can stock and traders can stock it. The farmers are just pushing it to go and sell.
Yes, many of the farmers can't store their whole crops. So the government and FDI should provide the proper infrastructure to store them and to make the deals with the big companies to sell them.
Yes, I agree with just number 164. And in a survey, it is found that 86% of all farmers there is one word and they can't stock their crops because of many agricultural loans and other problems. So they have to store their crops at that time, and it is many companies collect it, and when it demands high in markets, they black marketing and goes on high price.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. The bill is meant to give the benefits of the small and marginal farmers with high factors less than land, and the bill remove the its item cereals and pulses from the initial list of commodities.
Yes, friend, this bill is very important of farmer. The private company is contact farming is very best. The farmer has best opportunity a platform of farming.
Yes, the privatization of mandis will strengthen the infrastructure of Indian farming industry.
If there is a surplus of the agriculture product, then why should government purchase that product from the farmers and export to the other countries? Why, in spite of our traders store them and sell them in high prices.
As my friend mentioned that government the steps should be taken by the government to store the excess product and to give pressure on the exporting them. But by this bill, government is taking its hands back from protecting farmers, as they are motivating farmers to support direct from the big companies and traders, and they want to remove the middlemen that as they increase the corruption and all the loopholes in this bill. That's bill is not as good as it seems.
But it is very difficult for small and big farmers also who can't sell to an MSP level and then high level in selling crops. He can say that profitable and is freedom for every state and every country to save these crops.
Yes, sir, but I'm quite agree with you, but we see the statistic that 86, more than 86% of farmers are small farmers. They are not more large area for the crop. They can't produce high much crops, so they can't sell to the big companies.
But contract farming companies are provided by technical farmers and big corporations to increase all India.
But contract farming also making the small farmers slave, as they can't do any other farming other than this contract they have taken from the big companies. The companies will make to work as a slave.
Yeah, I quite agree with you. You said that the farmers will use like a slave, but also get the benefit from it. Like if someone told that I want like potatoes, and they fix the rate of 25, and someone outside of the company's agreement that the rate goes down, they also get the benefit from it.
And also they will get.
Yes, my friend.
And there is loss also when the price, like you said, 25 per kg potato. If the price goes up or 30%, they will loss of 5 rupees per kg.
But the agreement in the private mandis isn't not on village head.
Many times farmers cannot that benefit as they expand in their agriculture product when they sow their seeds and then all the money they have to invest in them, they cannot get that total benefit.
But we can say that a different state at different times we can say there are many potatoes in one state, second state is very onions, and different time and different crops and crops require turns, and it is a we can say balance also the crops, and this would be MSP level in which marketing price.
As my friend mentioned that they are only 86% farmers that are small farmers. So one market and one nation motto means that they can also supply their fruits and crops in interstate. But for small farmers, the expenditure of transporting foods is quite high. So they find more conventional to sell their crops to their nearby APMCs, which are they think that nearby APMCs giving food and crops to nearby APMCs is quite good as transferring to the other state.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. These bills are very convenient for the small farmers like spontaneous farming. For example, biscuit companies contact with the farmers and we sell to the farmers 25 rupees per kilo. Sell to the wheat and also developing the system in the rural areas. So I want to say that these are more convenient for the small farmer and rural farmers.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. We have one more good point in this bill that the farmer will get price of the crop beforehand, before sowing the crop.
Yes, sir. My friend, if the crop gets destroyed and the farmers will get a loss.
Yes, it is shown that farmer is from past to present farmer is going down to down, because when we see 1985 to 2020 an employee's salary is goes for 150 to 20% larger, but a farmers only get 20 to 25%. This is a big margin, and we have to protect our farmers to make develop our country.
Yes, sir, I agree with you. In my opinion, why does the Haryana and Punjab farmers protesting, but not Maharashtra and Karnataka farmers are protesting? Because in my opinion, I want to say that our country is distributing in the two parts, and this state like as Maharashtra, like as Madhya Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh or like as Maharashtra get to the 100% to the central government and get only 13% to the central government, but like as Uttar Pradesh to the 100% but get to the to 190%.
Yeah, quite agree. You said that only the Haryana and Punjab farmers are protesting. The main reason of protesting is the MSP. Only that farmers are getting the benefit. They are using it in the, they are selling this their crops in the APMC and they are getting the benefit from MSP. And government is not giving the little area to. They will give the MSP. But if you see the other states, the farmers they sold their crops by oven and sold this in the APMC, not through the MSP.
Yes, you are right. But if we say that small farmers can sell their goods, and my friend said that our company use before MSP for the
Yes, my friend. Yes, my
for
friend.
the produce, but
Yes, my friend.
if our
Yes, my
government
friend, I agree with you. In my opinion, you said that like why does the protesting Haryana and Punjab farmers and all are farmers not all are protested not farmers, but many are the tractor and middle.
Yes, my friend, I agree with that. Not all the people protesting there are farmers, but dealers and traders are also between them. In more amount of them, they are present there, but because of that, their businesses are getting low.
I agree with you, friend, but generally, farmer will motto is one nation, one market. The government provide a online platform. Farmer all our country sale is protected.
as you know that friend, our farmer only based on farming, and it's very important for small farmers to give government some extra benefits too. If small farmers go to the retailers and the companies use first MSP, but when small farmers destroy her produce, then also don't give the companies MSP, and also our small farmers are depend on. Then how can survive the competitor?
As the farmers are protesting to stop the protest, government has also announced that there will be MSP, minimum support price for the farmers, but they are not given a written statement. So that's why they are mistrusting the government, and also some are saying that farmers are misleading by only that some leaders have shown only the negative side of this bill to the farmers, not the positive side.
In my conclusion, our government has passed this bill for farmers, and our farmers are against of this bill. If our government saying this is important for our farmers, then they solve first the doubts of farmers in this bill and assure them or improve in add some conditions to.
That is your conclusion, sir.
In my conclusion, we can say that in farmers we will say government should be is a good step, but government should be there in a MSP levels and for agree with the farmers, and it should be beneficial for the government and also the farmers. It should be in my conclusion.
After hearing your all opinions, my conclusion is that this bill is affected by parliament. But the government should ask the states also, because agriculture and trade are the subject of its states, and for whom the bills are passed, farmers, they have not concern on farmers. They should ask listen to voice of the farmers also.
I will finally conclude that since many years the farmers are doing suicide because of their poor financial conditions, and because of this will the farmers also get benefit and their financial condition will be improved, and government should also hear to the farmers and what should be steps taken to this bill and what should be changes done to this bill. Why the farmers are protesting, so government have to hear them.
Finding conclusion is the farmer is most soul of country. It's the government responsibility. The all confusion clear this bill and the government provide all opportunity for high technical agriculture and all our cold rooms and
ETC. What is ETC? अभी ETC में बोल रहा हूँ.
In my conclusion that the government has passed the bill to improve the poor financial conditions of the farmers, but there are some points that government should improve, like they should provide them proper infrastructure to store the food, store their crops, and there should be a limit on the big corporate companies and businessmen traders to store the food, so they can not sell them on their own price and they can't do it black market.
From my conclusion, government should make the rules for they pass these bills, but they quite benefit for the farmers. So government should make the rules for their benefits, like they said the stock market they can as much as stock they can, but they don't make a rule that if from in the stock market the farmer get the loss, who will pay for it, and if they increase the black market, who will pay for it. So they should make a criteria that you can stock that much
In my opinion, our government in for the three bills these are not constitutional. Why did our government take decision during the COVID-19? They can take decision after that. In my opinion, farmer are exploited again and again. I am farmer.
I also belong to a farmer family, and I have been feeling that exploitation from ages. My family has been feeling that exploitation from ages. And now also we are watching this kind of protest. वापस नहीं, मैंने जो बोला एक बार उसको रिपीट कर दो तो तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा ऐसे बोलो.
I am also belong to farmer family, and I feel the pain of farmers, and I want to say that I am with the farmers.
After hearing all your points and opinions, I want to conclude that this bill was passed by the parliament as you all know, the trades and agriculture is a subject of state. But we will passing this bill, they were not consulted to the states and the farmers as the bill is for the farmers, but there was not consulted with the farmers and the state government. So the application was the non-democratic or against the democracy of our constitution. And in my opinion, this bill will make the APMCs weak, but instead of weakening the APMC, the government needs to strengthen the APMCs, as there are 86% of small farmers are there, and they find more convenience in selling their goods to APMCs instead of transporting or exporting to the other states. So it's a government duty to strengthen the APMC and to show the positive sides of this bill, to promote the positive sides and motivate farmers to do modern agriculture and using modern methods, so the productivity can be increased and the GDP of India also can increase. Thank you.
In my conclusion, farmers and opposition parties are against this because the minimum getting minimum price of products in future. So government might face in this field and their situation normal.
In my opinion, this bill is not so good for farmers. So once again, our government should talk to farmers and modify the bills and give a written statement of all crops MSP because this is the only source of income for a farmer family and of a full year. So our government should take a step to modify this bill.
शौर्य भारत डिफेंस एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप